Also, it's good to save your file like any other file. We can save it. It might be too big if you want to send it to somebody, but you can keep it for yourself. Week 5, Twinmotion. It's gonna be saved as .tm, which stands for Twinmotion. Now let's try to set one interior camera, and then I want to show you some other items here under the tools where you can measure this stuff or put some notes and stuff like that. So let's get close to the building. Okay, something like this looks good. I'm gonna go to the media again, and I'm gonna create one new image and name it as interior. I'm gonna go to more weather. I'm gonna stop the rain. Okay, a bit better. Maybe we can add some furniture by going to the library, objects, let's say maybe this lobby or something, home. Let me see what sofas we have here. Something like this maybe. I'm gonna place it somewhere over there between the two columns. Okay. We can add more things here. What I'm interested to show you is this tools option on the main library menu. I want to show you that you can put a measurement here. So it's showing me that the height is 3.85 meters. Also, you can add a note. I should click on the note first. And we can type here, note, the glass panels start at level 1 and continue up to level 3. That's going to be the point. The note, you can change the size, you can change the adjustment, you can even change the color. How about something like this? Okay, how about I start at level 1? Okay, a bit better. And I want to make it a little bit larger. Okay, the glass panel to start level 1 and continue up to level 3. Okay, so that's how you can add a note. You can add different items here. You can put more people inside. You can put characters, human beings, either alone or in groups of 2 or 3. Whatever the groups. Maybe there are 3 people standing around here. Okay, you can continue adding more furniture and everything. I'm going to go back to the media, image, that image, and I want to just check how different times look like and which one I'm looking for. This is interesting. Maybe I'll go with this one. Okay, and we can go back here. We can take care of the lighting, change the exposure. We can increase the exposure. When you are ready, go ahead to the export menu. Make sure to remove or deselect the video. Okay, and I want to only select the interior, and let's see how it works. This is how the render looks like. You can continue working on it. Maybe you can add some material. To the floor or something. Okay, I'm gonna export it again. You don't need to rename the image, it's gonna automatically rename the image. It's not going to override it, so it's gonna keep all your exports. You can keep a few alternatives and show them to the client and see which one they like.